Picture this: you wake up one morning with an unexpected $10,000 in your bank account. It seems improbable, right? Well, let me tell you a story about how I achieved this extraordinary goal. Saving money might feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'll walk you through a straightforward, step-by-step method. Your adventure toward financial independence is about to begin. First, establish a clear goal. Decide how much money you'd like to save. My personal target was $10,000 within 1 year. Write this objective down and keep it somewhere visible. Next, devise a budget. Monitor your income and expenses consistently. Document all sources of income, then classify your spending. Spot areas where you can make cuts. Third, simplify your daily routine. Reflect on your everyday habits. Opt for coffee at home over expensive cafes? Pack your lunch instead of dining out? These small tweaks accumulate significantly. Then, automate your savings process. Open a dedicated savings account. Arrange to have a portion of your paycheck transferred automatically to it. This makes saving a breeze. After completing that step, seek out side hustles. Consider freelancing or trading your unused items for cash. Direct that extra income straight into savings. Every single dollar counts. Lastly, ensure you stay accountable. Discuss your goals with close friends or family members. Regular check-ins will keep the motivation flowing. Remember to celebrate small wins along your journey. In summary, kick off with a clear goal and thoughtful budget. Simplify your lifestyle and automate your savings process. Explore side hustles and foster accountability within your circle. This is how I managed to save $10,000 in just 1 year. Now, it's your moment. Start mapping out your savings journey today. Subscribe for more insightful tips and share your goals in the comments.